Hey Art Maniacs, get those pencils ready. I'm gonna show you how to draw an adorable little troll. Okay, so to start with, we are gonna have his great big troll hair right here. And we have an ear right here. And then we're gonna have the face come out and around. Drop down. Great big troll ear here. Letter S in there. Letter S in there. And then from the troll ear, we're gonna come up here and then come back up, up, and up. And we're gonna have some lines in here. He's crazy looking. All right, now for the cute face. So for the face, we're going to draw a line coming around like that. We're gonna have a line that comes up here, kind of curves, comes around. Then we're gonna have number 6 eyes, like that, with some black parts in it, with white showing. And then we're gonna have another number 6 eye here, black in it, some white showing. We're gonna have eyebrows. We're gonna have some little freckles. And the troll face. All right, now for the body. So for the body, we're going to start with a circle, not a circle. It's like a U. Then it's gonna come up. The body's coming down and around. And then we've got another, his arm is like tucked under the other arm. So it kind of looks like a U hanging out over there, and then there's the top of his shoulder. Then we got his little pants, like that. His other pant, like that. And then here's his troll feet. A 1 toe, 2, 3, 4. That's good. And then the other troll toe. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And there you have Mr. Troll. Hey, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.